Hey, it's me, Jamila from Buy Pink. And today I'm going to show you how I made this adorable onesie for my first grandbaby. There's a picture of her. But I did this onesie before she was born, but I wanted to do something with the infusible inks and layer it with her name, which is Azani. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you use a lint roller and brush off any lint off of your Infusible inks blank. Um, you're going to basically weed or crack and peel the design, center it on the blank, cover with a piece of butcher paper, and then press with your easy press for at 385 degrees for 45 seconds. And I like to use the big mat with my 6x7 easy press. It just makes it easier. And the reason why I'm holding it on the sides is because I want to make sure that I'm applying even pressure, but also because I have it sideways, so I can't really hold the handle. So this next step, you're going to crack and peel your design again. And then you're going to remove it and place it manually, color down, or by hand color down. And you can see over there in the corner, the reason why is because if the transfer tape, the sticky tape, is too small to cover the entire first layer, it removes some of the color. So I peeled the design and I placed it on by hand, and then I took the transfer sheet, or the sticky transfer sheet, from the pink layer, and I placed it over everything. And you want to be sure to, or make sure you're very careful when you're removing it from the background, or removing it from the transfer tape. Just place it color side down like I said. And here you see me putting the dot on my eye. And then I grabbed the transfer tape from the original piece, and I placed it right over everything. Again, cover with a piece of butcher paper and press at 385 for 45 seconds. Make sure you're applying even pressure throughout. Use your tweezers to remove the transfer tape and the lettering. And you can kind of see on the transfer tape some of the color came up, but it's still really bright and vibrant. If you want to see photos of this, then click the link in the description, and it'll take you to the blog post with tons of pretty pictures.